This is the Family Club one-bedroom suite at Majestic Mirage Costa Mujeres in Mexico. As soon as we walk in, you have a full bathroom here. This is incredible for families. So you have your shower here, sink and toilet. Moving into the living room, nice big space. You have a table so you can enjoy your room service. This back here is a Murphy bed. The couch is a pull-out, so you have plenty of sleeping space if you're a family. You have your TV here, mini bars right down here. This is filled with Coke products. These are going to be restocked daily. You have your coffee bar set up, so an espresso type coffee machine, a regular drip pot, and a kettle if you want to do hot water. You have some liquors included. You also will get one bottle of your choice. There is a sliding door here, so really great for families that would prefer separation. Going into the bathroom, it is an open concept bathroom. Plenty of storage space in the closet. You're giving robes and slippers. There's a steamer, safe, drawers, plenty of storage space in here. So it's great. You have a nice tub, and then your shower and water closet are right here, frosted glass. So there's your toilet and your shower. The amenities provided for the toiletries are shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. There's also a blow dryer for you to use. So you have your double sinks. Moving into the bedroom, this room does have two beds. Most are going to come with a king size bed. We can make a request for you as to your bedding type that you would prefer, but just know it's not guaranteed at this location. And then moving outside, you have a nice day bed. You have a very big jacuzzi tub, very large terrace here. And this is the entry level room. So this is the worst room, and let me tell you, it's not bad at all. Look at this gorgeous view. You have so much space. This is perfect for families. If you live in the United States and you would like to book using a travel agent, I would love to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com. You'll submit a quote request and we will get you off to paradise. And my prices are always cheaper than the direct Majestic website prices. So it's pretty win-win. You get a discount and you also get to work with someone who has personally been to the resort. I think that this resort has a lot of fun stuff for kids, so I'm going to share a couple of those things with you now, primarily the water park and the teen club. The water park is open to all ages, so even adults are welcome to come over and try this area. There's a small lazy river with a swim-up bar, and then for younger kids, ages 6 and under, there's a dedicated splash pad with smaller slides that are perfect for them. Overall, this resort is extremely family friendly, but keep in mind that the water park is only included if you're staying at Majestic Mirage Costa Mujeres. If you're staying next door at Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres, there's an additional fee to access the water park. This right here is the Teens Club. This is designed for ages 13 to 17, and all the video games you see are included. For younger kids, there is also a kids club available, so truly there is something for every age range.